Khushbu, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much, Salagna.
So just please tell us a little about yourself.
Okay. Hi, I'm Khushbu Srivastav, graduated from IIT Bombay in 2014 from mechanical engineering. After that, I joined General Motors, been there in the industry for 6.5 years, and now currently focused on building my own startup, Gulam AI.
Okay, that's great. Khushbu, going back to your IIT days, any challenges you faced when you were going to second year from first year?
I think there are a lot many challenges. First, entering the first year itself is a very challenging stuff because you see a lot of activities, academic pressure around you. In the first year, it's a completely different environment for you to be in, and and certainly the competition is very different. So all these things are a bit of a stress creating things from first year to second year, and also you need to choose which are the subjects, which are the credits that you need to take, which are the extracurricular activities you want to start on, what are the projects that you want to work in. Like I know I started working in drone project, then IIT Bombay launched Pratham as one of the satellites, and that project is also there. There are a couple of other robotic activities that goes around. Then there is like German classes and other classes, and so all these activities are around, and you have to like pick very meticulously around which one to go around. And
did you learn any language?
No, I didn't, but I really wanted to do. Certainly, but I didn't.
Yeah, okay. So what I'm trying to ask is, when you had to like choose your internship and thereafter the placement, did you face any struggles around that time?
Yes, definitely. The struggles around which one to choose, which area I wanted to go, which one would be like the best fit for my skill set, as well as best fit for my career. All these things are there, and I see a lack of mentorship as well as guidance in those aspects. So I would say, if there would be some, there are various forums in IIT where you go and ask about, but still these are like a very informal type of things where you go and talk to seniors, and they will only tell you what they have only experienced on be in that path. So you try to shadow most of the seniors or maybe people around you.
So what happened with you during your placement times? How did you get placed?
Yeah, so I got placed very early, although there are some of my friends who would be like really jealous about how she got placed very early. But I think I chose the right company where I wanted to work. I talked to seniors who were working in the company, like General Motors. So from IIT Bombay, I searched out the people who are working in the company, and before applying, I think, or maybe before the campus placement, I talked to them and I asked them like, what is the work that you're doing, and is it like interesting to me? So I started hunting for the seniors who are working and asked them what type of interview questions they are asked, what type of profile they might ask, or those things. So once you plan for those things, you know where you want to. It's a bit easier. Else it is very stressful, like till the 14th 15th day, if you didn't get placed. I know like some of the people are like really frustrated till like even after like 6th or 7th day, people get really frustrated if they didn't get placed.
Okay, so were you happy with the pay that was offered to you by General Motors?
Not at all. Not at all, because it's very less. It's very less. And I would say I opted for learning than a package. I would tell you, just for example, like people who joined with me from different other automotive segments where they got great pay than GM. I think 6 months down the line, I consider myself as I have more experience than those guys. So in terms of learning, I think there's a trade-off which you have to do for package and the interesting area that you want to work in, and the company as well. So
That's very great.
definitely.
And do you have any key learnings that you would want to share with us, like life lessons that you got during your IIT days and thereafter?
So I remember in GM when I was there, if somebody is stuck in some of the projects, and like the machine learning part is something which I started very early in, as soon as I joined GM, and till the 6th year I was leading their machine learning team, as well as uh, if something comes up, like this is the problem that we want to solve around, so people just look out to me. So you have to be in the minds of the people through your skill set you develop over the years.
So, what you have to, tell the people who are trying to pursue the core paths or core career choices?
As a country right now, we are at edge of the disruption in these areas, maybe manufacturing, electric vehicles, renewable energy, and with the things around the Atmanirbhar Bharat. I think we really need these people. So you should understand these things. Like it's not it's not everybody should rush for the software thing, and you want to work in big four and just work around the software things. We really need this, and these are the important things for our economy. While in India we lack this thing, we don't have engineers around who are working in these core space. So I would suggest, like for the core people, if you are in these disciplines, just try to find out internships in these core industries, and maybe startups should also be really good, and look for any work in India.